Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Varun and I'm the co-founder of Tourlandish. Last year, for the first time ever, we had more than 1 billion people traveling across the world. A staggering 60% of them booked local experiences like tours, activities, events, and attractions at the very last minute when they were already in their destination. Now, while these experiences in itself are a lot of fun, making a reservation for them at the last minute is an absolute nightmare. And here's why. The best options that are available with travelers today are tour brochures, hotel concierges, and listing sites like TripAdvisor. Now, in all these cases, the only way to make a simple reservation is to actually call the operator or email them or be present there in person. In an ideal world, online bookings would be an awesome solution, except the existing web platforms simply do not know whether seats are available and hence cannot actually sell anything in the last 24 hours. And that is the crux of the problem. Today, there is simply no convenient way for travelers to discover things to do at the very last minute and make a booking for them. On the other hand, tour operators that sell these services have perishable inventory, and 40% of their seats remain unsold because of this inefficient market. We are here to change this. Tourlandish is an on-demand mobile marketplace that helps travelers discover the best things to do in town for the next 24 hours, book them in 3 taps, and then go out and have a great time. We combine convenience with exclusive last-minute discounts and paperless ticketing to make this an absolutely delightful experience for our users. For tour operators, we help them sell their distressed inventory and get new customers. Think of us as the hotel tonight for things to do. So how does this work? Let's say you're visiting New York for vacation or maybe on a short work trip. You come here, you want to get out and have a great time. All you need to do is fire up the Tourlandish app. It instantly shows you a curated list of all the awesome local experiences that are available right now. I've always loved the idea of exploring the city with a local expert, and that's what we're going to do today. Let's look at some of the walking tours that we have available. You simply click on the category, you see a bunch of really interesting options, and the one that I'm personally most excited about is the VIP tour of the Met. Once you select an experience, you find all the relevant information, like the prices, discounts, seats left, reviews, highlights, and the location. Everything checks out, you tap Book, select the number of people that are traveling with you, hit Reserve, and that's it. You're done. All it takes is 3 taps and 60 seconds. This is as simple as hailing a cab on Uber or playing your favorite song on Spotify. Now, this simplicity is exactly what differentiates us from the competition out there. We're the only company in this space that's 100% mobile and 100% last minute. This exclusive focus gives us access to inventory and products that our competition simply does not have. Our prices are on an average 15% cheaper than them, and the entire experience of using Tourlandish, right from discovery till payment, is 3 times faster than any app out there. Now, tours and activities is not some small niche vertical. It's a massive industry within travel. Last year, $140 billion worth of transactions took place in this industry across the world. Of this, 60%, that's $84 billion, takes place at the last minute. For the next 2 years, we are focused on attacking the last-minute market in the US, and that's a $16 billion opportunity. Today, less than 5% of last-minute tours and activities are actually transacted on a mobile device. Let's compare this with hotels. They went from almost nothing to today, where 65% of last-minute hotel rooms are booked on a mobile device. And this happened in just 5 years. The fact that tours and activities is going mobile is an inevitable conclusion, and Tourlandish is at the forefront of that change. Now, we have the perfect team to grab this massive opportunity. Vikram has built large-scale enterprise technology products at Oracle for 4 years and is a graduate of Indian Institute of Technology. Suren headed operations for multi-million-dollar on-demand logistics firm and is an alumnus of HEC Paris. Tourlandish is my second startup, and I know how to build businesses. This is my 4th year in the travel industry, and I know exactly how this works. On this way, On this journey, we have two fantastic mentors helping us along the way, Raman Kia from Condé Nast and Steve Bash from Packlate.com. Now coming to my favorite part. Over the last 3 months at DreamIt, what exactly have we accomplished? We built and launched Tourlandish on all the 3 major platforms. We went live on mobile web 6 weeks ago, on Android 3 weeks ago, and on iOS just a week back. Now, every marketplace has a chicken and egg problem at the very beginning. The way we solve this is by cracking the supply issue first. Starting from scratch, we now have the largest selection of last-minute things to do in New York. Our supply acquisition model is definitely a secret sauce and the key to be able to expand rapidly to multiple cities going forward. Now, as we scale supply, there are some interesting possibilities that emerge from a distribution standpoint. The existing large travel brands online today do not have any inventory for local things to do, and Tourlandish can power that for them. Right now, we work with 12 different hotels across the city in New York, including Intercontinental as their official distributor for tours and activities. Having said all of this, the one thing that excites us the most is simply how much travelers have loved us. So let's look at what they do right now on the platform. An average transaction on Tourlandish is worth $180. We make 20% commission for this from our suppliers and an average cost of customer acquisition of $28. Now, as I said, we have been live for 6 weeks and are currently already doing a run rate of $400,000. We have grown at a phenomenal pace, essentially doubling our sales every 7 weeks, doing 100% growth week after week. Right now, we're raising a seed round for $750,000 to grow our team, further strengthen our products, and expand to multiple cities. If you like what we do, we would love to talk to you after this presentation. If any of you guys are heading out this weekend, you want to have the app Tourlandish with you. Do download it and use the code DEMODAY to get $25 credit. I hope you guys had a great time, and thank you so much for listening.